Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is 28th of May, Blessing Friday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Today is the last trading day of the week, Friday. We had amazing volatility. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis, update reviews, so feel free to subscribe my channel. And just to recap traders, these are the intraday analyses, and if you would like to know how I trade and provide live intraday analysis to my trader, please watch that video. A link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Euro USD, if you look at in 4 hour and yesterday, we haven't seen any big moves. You can see here keep rejecting it, so we had this breakout and bang, beautiful pips. And to be honest, we were looking after the breakout pullback. We haven't get any pullback, but we managed beautiful pips on the short trades on Euro USD. And if I show you the intraday analysis, if you look at here, yesterday this was the market. As you can see here, yesterday we had only pullbacks as in the price respected all these pullbacks. Today we are in the morning, as you can see, just before London Open, we already had this breakout, but as explained to my trader, now let's wait for the confirmation. If the price is going to retest, give us the confirmation after the breakout. Even if the price is going to retest, then we should be taking that short trade as mentioned on the analysis. As you can see here, price nicely broken, which was broken previously, this one. And after the breakout, as you can see here, price nicely respected here. That's what we take. And if you look at the bottom, short trade here, and if you look at here in 4 hour, we have the major structure broken and beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit this level, as you can see here, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. You can see here, price previously respected in 4 hour. We had a beautiful, and afterwards we were looking at pullback here. As you can see here, price did not develop any pullback, but we managed a beautiful short trade on Euro USD today. Beautiful trade. As you can see, afterwards we have price haven't developed any pattern. So as I said to you, we are intraday trader. We need a valid technical pattern in order to find the opportunities. Let's move into the pound dollar, guys. Pound dollar, if I look at here, and if you look at this, yesterday we had this long trade here, bang, beautiful pips. And today, if you look at here, that's what we explained to trader. As you can see here, this is bearish inside candle pattern, and at the resistance level, you can see here, price respected previously many time, and that's what we explained to trader, possibilities for look for this breakout. And we had a beautiful breakout short trade today. And afterwards we also had a long trade. As you can see here, price nicely respected at the support level. We were expecting price might gonna continue, but as you can see here, price reversed. And let me share with you guys the intraday analysis of pound dollar. As you can see here, this morning we had this London Open. As you can see here, just before London Open, price developed up channel, and that's what we're looking at breakout. As you can see here, at the bottom, momentum was bearish. The safest way, as explained to my trader, after the breakout, as you can see here, price develop another respect this level after the breakout. That's give us the confirmation. As you can see here, first target is always be the next fifth channel, the first target here, and the final target. Price nicely hit that profit target. And afterwards, as I said to you guys, we were looking another pullback. That's what we explained to trader. We also had this pullback short trade, only few pips, which technically we came out at the break even, but we had a very small pullback after this breakout. And at the New York session, as you can see here, price developed another pattern, and that's what we explained to trader. Looks like the price is respecting it, the support level, possibility of reversal. As you can see here, price develop another pattern, symmetric triangle pattern. Look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. We have this beautiful breakout, and price nicely hit that, as soon as the price hit the previous high, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful short trade this morning, London morning. You can see here, this was the breakout short trade, bank beautiful pips. And at the New York session, another counter long trade on pound dollar. So beautiful pips on pound dollar. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. And dollar CAD, if you look at the 4 hour, yesterday we had this short trade, bank beautiful pips. Today we were long, as you can see in the morning. The reason why, because you can see here at this stage the price respected this level in 4 hour, and we taken this after this bullish engulfing candle. We have this breakout as soon as the price hit this level 21,192, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. And to be honest, after that we were looking at pullback, but we haven't seen any pullback, but we managed few pips. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis of dollar CAD. And if you look at okay, let me see. Okay, so this is the analysis I did yesterday, last night, and because I've seen this pattern is developed. This is the pattern, as you can see here. That's what I explained to trader. Look for possibility of reversal. The reason why, because as I mentioned, you were looking this pullback at this level. And intraday, that's what we explained to trader. Look here, it's look like inverted head and shoulder pattern, and that's what we explained to trader. Look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken here, and afterwards we have another beautiful pullback long trade here. And I also updated that analysis at the London morning session. You can see here just before London open. This is the update of that analysis. So look for another breakout, as you can see here in previous based on the previous analysis pullback, and based on the London morning analysis, I explained to trader look for another long if the price is going to break the previous high. As you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the first target, which is already, you can see a blue fib channel, and at the resistance level, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had a long trade on dollar CAD, bank beautiful pips. After this long at the New York session, we were looking this pullback. Price haven't developed any pullback in intraday, and right now we're still looking price develop another pattern, which is you can see here. This is the pattern still valid. We had a pullback is performed, as you can see here, a few more pips. But again, we finish our day, trading day. The best trade we had that was the Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar. Let me explain to you guys. On Kiwi dollar, we were looking this breakout. As you can see here, price if you look at the 4 hour, price developed double top, and we have taken this breakout short trade and banked beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the support level, which is 72,122 level, and bank beautiful pips. If I show you the intraday analysis, you can see here this was the breakout trade. That's what I did last night, explained to my trader look for this breakout. We had this breakout, bank beautiful pips, and you can see here price nicely hit to the first target and this final target. And afterwards, once we bank some profit, and I also did in London morning session, look for another pullback if the price is going to respect this, what do you call it, a moving average and plus this fib channel. As you can see here, price nicely respected here, and based on the momentum, we had a beautiful another pullback short trade and the London morning session. So you can see here we had a beautiful short trade on Kiwi dollar, and most of the traders bank beautiful pips. Even if you look, if I show you the Aussie dollar, you can see here another beautiful breakout short trade. Most of the traders bank beautiful pips, and if you look at here, traders bank 90 pips so far, even in Friday. As you can see here, this is all the breakdowns, and you can see here 35 pips on Kiwi dollar, which you can see here. This is the entry level, you can see screenshot, and that's the exit when the price hit to the profit target. You can see here this is the pretty straightforward. You can see here this was the breakout trade, as you can see, as based on the analysis. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target. And now most of the traders bank over 100 pips today. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis details. The most important thing is you're going to be enjoying more when you see all that analysis in real time, and more interesting thing when you're going to be banking pips alongside my professional traders. So even if you don't have Forex trading experience, guys, and my main objective is to train trader with the live market and teach them, coach them in real time, and find the good traders. And if you continuously making these type of pips, definitely we can arrange trading funds for you guys. If you are interested how I train and coach, and how you can get funded, feel free to book free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Until next time, all the best, guys.